Welcome back to Pretty DIYs. In this video, I'll be participating in the Love Corner collaboration. I'll give you more information on that a little later on in the video, but right now I'm going to get started on my first DIY. For my first DIY, I will be doing a sign. I got this sign from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover these hearts, these silver hearts that I have. I'm going to cover them in this fabric. I got the silver hearts from the Dollar Tree as well, and also the fabric from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to glue that on. So I'm gluing them on with hot glue, and I'm trying to make all three of them look different. One I have in these polka dots, and then the other two are in solid pink. But I'm going to also add some smaller hearts to them as well. So here I'm just going to glue the smaller heart on. Even though it has a thicker part, I still feel like glue will give it a better adhesion. It will be adhered better with glue as well. And I decided to just add some other small hearts on the bottom to cover the silver. And I really like the way it turned out using all, the small hearts onto the bigger heart. I think it really came out nice. And with the last heart, I just kept it simple by adding the glitter red heart to the bigger heart, and then just adding another smaller pink glitter heart. So I didn't want to do too much, but I wanted every heart to look different. And here I'm just trying to position them, see how I want them to be positioned before I put the glue on. And then I'm just going to hot glue them to the sign. And the next step is going to be adding the embellishments. I have some little wooden, I believe they're wooden. I guess they're wooden hearts. They're these tiny little, I think they were picks originally from the Dollar Tree that I got last year. And I still have some more of those glittery hearts that I'll be adding. And I have a few of the other, I guess it would be like kind of like felt, the other felt hearts that I have that I'm going to be adding. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just adding the embellishments. And now I'm just making my little rag bow. I'm trying to figure out how I want the ribbon to be placed. And then I'm just going to wrap a little jute twine around it and tie it in a knot to secure it. So I'm going to add a little bead in the middle after I finish tying my bow together. I'll be adding a little pearl bead, hot gluing it, and then I will be gluing it to my sign. So I am finished with this DIY, and I'll insert a picture so that you can see how it turned out. So this is the Love Corner collaboration. These are all the creators that are participating in this collaboration. It's a wonderful collaboration. All the other creators that are participating with me are so creative. They're just awesome. So once you're finished my video, be sure to check out the playlist, and you can see all of the different DIYs that all the other YouTubers have created, and I know that you'll be blown away with the creativity that you're going to see. So make sure you check out that playlist once you're finished with my video, and I will link it in my description box. For my next DIY, I will be making a home sign. I'm going to be painting it, baseball or dry brushing it a light pink. So, and then I'm going to be making a centerpiece out of this cardboard. I'll be adding some popsicle sticks. So after I finished dry brushing it, I wiped it off with a baby wipe. Then I added a flower to the heart, and I added some glitter. Then I added some popsicle sticks to the part that I'm gonna glue the home sign to, and I'm gonna glue that down now. I decided to add this little heart ribbon to the top. I thought that would look cute, kind of like drape it over. So right now I'm gluing the ribbon to the home sign. Now I'm adding the greenery to my centerpiece. So you see me gluing the greenery on now. So now I'm going to be adding some more flowers. Actually, these are roses. I'll be adding some more to the front of this centerpiece. And then I'll be adding some embellishments, some beads and different things.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, send me to you.
So I am almost finished with this last DIY, just doing a couple few finishing touches, and then I will be finished. And just want to thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to look at the playlist. Click the playlist in my description box below so you can check out the playlist. And I will also add some pictures of my DIY projects so that you can see the final reveal. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.